Part 10 of What the F is she wearing in the Philippines? So, OA. Si OA. Talagang napaka-OA. But I'm back. I'm back stronger, wiser, with experience, and I'm so back that you're back to your usual routine self. Si OA. So, I got this, what you call this? Jumper, romper, or basta kayo nang bahala. And I got this from Ukay Ukay, or the thrift shop, which cost 75 pesos only. 75 pesos. So you get to see this wide leg, and then tube top, tube, and the back. It has pockets there, but just an illusion. So this is it. Yeah, so nice. Nice, right? For 75 pesos, you get to have this romper, jumper, or any, what you call this. Just comment down below. Hi! Comment down below. And this is what I got from TikTok shop. So this is from Viden, and it costs like 400 pesos. Pero you look at the quality, it's so nice, right? And it's shiny and very pointy, like kaya kang pakayin nito. So for reference, this is size 37. Ooh. Rings on. No watch for today because I want to have that clean look there. And for the bag, I got this shiny one. So it's kind of the same with the shoes. Yeah! So this is the perfume. So this is just the look for today, no? And let me do a quick 360 and a walk. So, hindi yan sa pa-expensive ng damit because this is for 75 pesos only and the shoes is like 400 pesos. Pero you can carry a good outfit. Sa pagdala lang talaga yan. Okay, bye!